It's on. It's on. What the heck is it? God, whoa, what the? That took a runner?
Yeah.
Holy shit, let me get the net right. Oh, what the fuck? That was, oh, the big mud? Holy shit, that's the biggest mudfish I've seen in forever. Oh my God, that's a mudfish?
I don't know what the hell it was. Get the net.
I got the net.
Let him pull it.
Let me extend this bitch out. You let him run?
What the fuck this is, man? It's a mudfish.
Big mud. Oh my God.
Get in here, boy.
Yes, sir.
Shine the coquettes at your ass. Yeah.
Oh, man, that bitch goddamn knocked the net up my hand down there. That's a big ass mudfish. Hell yeah. Nah, you gotta go.
Okay, you gotta help me clean it.
I don't want that mudfish.
You gonna eat it?
Nah, man.
Okay, you clean it at night, eat it in the morning.
That's a dinosaur. Damn, I had one too. Right? I ain't caught none. I don't think I ever caught one that big.
Shit. Got teeth, ain't it?
Yeah. St. John River with Granda. Used to put them brim on there, trying to catch bass.
Knock me out.
Popped?
Through the hook.
Go through the hook.
You gonna knock me out.
Look strong.
Lord. Oh, shit.
Yes, sir. That's a big mudfish. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That be huge, bro.
I'm gonna put him in a bucket.
Nah, we'll let it go.
You don't want it?
No. That's a monster, bro. Woo! Yes, sir. Out here in the jungle, man.
Back here, man.
Huh?
Back here, man.